ACG New York's 14th annual healthcare conference.
We do have a great program today, and it's wonderful to start it off with Glenn Tolman, CEO of Transcarent.
I mean, they're doing amazing, innovative things. You should never go public if you don't have 6 or 8 quarters of knowing what the earnings are in the bag.
Tonight the stars are out, so let's paint the town. Na, 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 na. I'm running when I hit the ground, that's what I'm on.
Here at the 2022 ACG New York Healthcare Conference.
Well, welcome to the 14th annual New York ACG Healthcare Conference.
I'm here today with Jim Davis.
I am Basanta Pundarica. I'm the co-head of healthcare at Matrix Capital Markets Group.
I'd love to really talk about my excitement for value-based care.
About a third of public company biotech companies are currently trading at below cash value.
So I think if people see more inclusiveness and more opportunities, I think just by way of doing that, you attract more diversity to the organization.
I'm all about